causing a delay in a Republican coronavirus relief package now expected next week. Three-time Olympic runner Jim Ryan just receiving the Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian honor. President Trump praising his many achievements, including 5 terms as a Kansas congressman.
He was a principled, committed, very tough, and beloved lawmaker. That's what they said. He was tough and yet beloved. That's a rare combination.
Ryan was the first high schooler to break the 4-minute mile, won Olympic silver in 1968, and founded youth running camps in 1975. The rest of the shortened baseball season starts today for 26 teams after the 2 openers yesterday, and now the Blue Jays just confirming a temporary home field in Buffalo, where the Toronto team's AAA affiliate plays. Canada won't let them play at home because of surging coronavirus in the U.S. America is listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by ExpressPros.com.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
It is a slow go on 95 South with drainage work blocking the left lane between routes 1 and 146. Clearing it earlier, car fire in the right lane on 95 South at the connector exit. There's stop and go on 146 South between Branch Ave and 95. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Mark your calendars. Express Employment Professionals is once again hosting National Interview Day on August 6th. This special event supports hiring as businesses continue to reopen and business ramps back up. Apply online today. Visit expresspros.com/interviewday to find a location near you.
Okay, world, I'm ready for this.
More wine, madam?
Oh, yeah, just keep it coming. And this. Hello, son. Long time no see. And finally, this.
That'll be $1 down. Here's your new Route 6 Kia.
Sweet. It's still a crime to pay more than a dime at Route 6 Automall Kia in Swansea.
$1 down.
And you get 0% financing for 72 months.
And $1,500 trade-in assistance. That's an extra $1,500 for your trade.
I'll take it. Now, what about credit amnesty?
If you bring home $350 a week, you could get up to $25,000 in credit. $25 grand.
Good to be out again.
$1 down. Trade assistance, 0% financing.
And ask for credit amnesty only at Route 6. Route 6 Automall Kia.
In Swansea.
Route6automall.com. Route6automall.com.
Plus tax package fees to qualified buyers.
It's more important than ever right now to reach out to your customers and let them know what your business is doing. So if you've updated your delivery options, created an online store, or just want to remind them how to reach you, advertising on the radio is the best way to do it. Go to iHeartAdBuilder.com to create your free radio ad. It's affordable and customizable. You can even do it all from your phone. Answer a few questions, listen, and approve the ad, and we'll get it on air. Sign up today at iHeartAdBuilder.com and get a free custom radio ad.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Helping the right side use new technology more effectively. He's a public speaker, sitting in for Rush Limbaugh today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Todd Herman.
Oh, thank you, Rush Limbaugh, for the incredible honor of simply caretaking the program, and we hope that Rush back Monday. Rush for Rush, he continues to do what needs to get done. That's what he does.